Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Recite Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Buddham saranam gacchami.
Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Dhammam saranam gacchami.
Sangham saranam gacchami.
Sangham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi buddham saranam gacchami. Dutiyampi dhammam saranam gacchami. Dutiyampi sangham saranam gacchami. Tatiyampi buddham saranam gacchami. Tatiyampi dhammam saranam gacchami. Tatiyampi sangham saranam gacchami. Pāṇāti-pātā vīramani sikkhapadam samādhiyāmi. Adinādāna vīramani sikkhapadam samādhiyāmi. Āmisu miccācārā vīramani sikkhapadam samādhiyāmi. Musāvādā vīramani sikkhapadam samādhiyāmi. Suramiraya majjapamādhatthāna vīramani sikkhapadam samādhiyāmi. Already we have received the first and foremost portion of this Dana to be offered as a Buddha Puja. So, dedicate it as a Buddha Puja. Please recite this stanzas together. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagavāraham samma sambuddho viccācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhammasārati sattādeva manussānam buddho bhagavāti svākāto bhagavata sanmo sannitthiko akāriko ehipassiko okanayiko pacchattam veditabbo viññoheti. Supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. Ujupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුද්ගලා ඒස භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ආවුනීයෝ පාවුනීයෝ දක්ඛිනීයෝ අංජලි කරණීයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤක්ඛේතං ලෝකස්සාති ඝනසාරප්පදිත්තේන දීපේන තමදන්සිනා ලෝකදීපං සම්බුද්ධං පූජයාමි තමුං ගන්ධ සම්භාරයුත්තේන ධූපේන සුගන්ධිනා පූජයේ පූජනීයං තං පූජා භාජන මුත්තම වන්න ගන්ධ ගුණෝපේතං ඒතං කුසුම සම්පිච්චි පූජයාමි මුක්ඛාති යතයිනම් විකායෝ තථායාති විනාශ භවං අදිවාසේතු නෝපන්තේ පානීයං පරිකප්පිතං අනුකම්පං උපාදාය පටිගන්හාතු මුත්තමං අදිවාසේතු නෝපන්තේ භෝජනං පරිකප්පිතං අනුකම්පං උපාදාය පටිගන්හාතු මුත්තමං කායේන වාචා චිත්තේන පමාදේන මයා කතං අච්චයං අමමේ පන්ති භූරි පඤ්ඤ තථාගත තාවකාචරං දේහි සම්පතං පුඤ්ඤ සම්පදං සබ්බේ දේවානුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා එතාවතාචරං දේහි සම්පතං පුඤ්ඤ සම්පදං සබ්බේ භූතානුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා එතාවතාචරං දේහි සම්පතං පුඤ්ඤ සම්පදං සබ්බේ සත්තානුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා
ගුණපාල මහත්තයා කොහොමද කොහොමද කියන්නේ අදට දවස් 7ක් පිරෙන දවසේ යාදනීය සෝමාවති මුචාපු ආදරණීය මෑණියන්ට පින්න අද උදේ දැන් මේ අදද මහත්තයෝ අලු අරන්
Yeah, අලු.
මේ දැන් අද උදේ තමයි අලු අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා තැන්පත් කරලා තියෙනවා. සෝඥාති ධම්මෝ ඡායං නිදස්සිතෝ පීතාන පූජාච කතාවලා බලංච බික්ඛෝ නමපදින්න තුම්මේහි පුඤ්ඤං පසුතං. During lifetime of the Buddha, on one day, the Buddha was in Jetavana temple in Savatthi. Devoted king to the Buddha came to temple and he reported an incident took place. It was previous night when he was at sleep or deep or sleeping very well, he had a dream. What was that dream? Group of his relatives who passed away appeared in his dream and asked him to give them some food. So he was not aware about the meaning of this dream, then went to the Buddha. Then the Buddha replied that they are your relatives and they passed away. Now they are waiting for your help, merits. And then king asked the Buddha what to do. You can practice something like this. You can prepare some meals and you can offer these meals to someone who is hungry. You know, in one of the discourses in Middle East saying, the Buddha gave a long list. In that list, Buddha is number one. That's why you offered the first portion to the Buddha. Then coming to the next, the highest spiritual person, and continue all the way. Even animals, birds, all are included in this list. If you can feed them. So, the disciples of the Buddha, those who attain enlightenment, the path of enlightenment, and ordinary monks like us, and even it can go into, the Buddha said, when the religion of the Buddha declined, we are in the process of declining now, not developing. Only buildings are coming up, statues are coming up, pagodas are coming up. Generally, religion is declining, not the Buddhism. It is declining. Very hard, very difficult to even to get a young boy to become a monk all over the world, even in Singapore. I remember when I came here 1980s, 90s, very often per month, sometimes few ceremonies of becoming monk. For the last 10-20 years, I never got any invitation. I don't know whether they become a monk or not, right? So, but that was we heard. Even in some other religions, some teachers, they told me, it's very difficult to get somebody to be a religious person, so it is period. But then the Buddha said that even if you offer to the community member of that very last declining period, still you can have some merits. And what do? You can use these merits, but it all depends on, for all of you in this action, you must come to one important judgment and conclusion and understanding and acknowledgement. That is, if I say the religion of the Buddha is essentially maintains by merits. Whether you are an ordinary male or female, or monk or nun, or enlightened or in the process, everything needs merits. So the Buddha advised him, you do some good thing, and while having done, generate some merits, and that merits you can transfer to your relatives. He practiced dana for 7 days, giving food to the monks. And then 7th day, he got the Buddha and the other monks to assemble, and then the Buddha delivered this sermon. It's one discourse, we call it Thirokuta Sutta. We have books of Buddhism written in Sri Lanka in central part of Sri Lanka. So when they wrote, so the Sri Lankan Buddhist monks who had what is it called, how to say that, perfect memory, right? The memory, so before they forget, what did they do? They compiled books and wrote everything in Olali. One of the books is called Petavattu Annana. It's actually talking about after death, what will be, what happens to a human being. So the Buddha said that it depends on, there are two places. You may get a palace, you may not get a palace. So if you do good, the Buddha said you go to Vimana. Vimana means big house, big bungalow, right? If you don't do good, well, so depending on what kind of merits you get, and also your appearance. If you do more good, you will be very shining, aura. Sometimes it can go into, you can with God. Then if he comes night time, that's why in the sutra say, Abhikkhanta Ratya Abhikkhanta Vanna. So illuminating the whole area. Even if you are born among human beings, you get very special attraction when people see you. So the Buddha said it is merits. It's merits. Then he asked, can I transfer merits to? Yes, you can do. You can do it. It's actually the Buddha, but it's we need a little more lengthy discussions to what is it called, whether we can transfer merits. Merits according to the Buddha is like what is it called, the power. See that this fan is moving. We do not have energy here, right? This energy is coming from Senoko, right? Senoko, you don't have energy. How do you get energy to Senoko? You are getting it from Saudi Arabia or Iran or Iraq, right? So you produce it. How do they get it? They have to dig the ground. So it's the energy. And you have gone beyond that kind of energy, right? When mother passed away, you got a telephone call, right? But there is no wire link, right? You can just call Jayatira Mahathya, right? Ayya, phone. You put the Kerala name. Tick, 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 01. So he receives. And even that day we put into, what is it called? Facebook. So we asked him to watch it. We also put it into what is it called? The video call, right? So they can see it. What is this? That's, if you can just remember this incident. How do they receive this energy from Singapore? There's no wire link. Those days wire. Now wireless. Then how? Do you see that message passing from Singapore to Atlantic and America or via Tokyo or Taiwan? No. Then how do they receive? That's called energy. He's holding on energy. You are holding here another energy. Not necessary to have link. It is possible. Similarly, the Buddha said, if you energize now, you have come to temple to energize. Before you come to this temple, you didn't have this energy. Right? No. But the cigarette pack can be energy, no different energy, right? You come to temple, if you really enter any temple, any church, any religious place, you are going there for what? The moment if you enter as a religious person, you are seeking extra energy. I do not know whether you will get it, but if you get it, that's what temple. So that energy, you don't get so easily outside. So the Buddha said it's very extraordinary energy. You can transmit. You can transmit. That's what the Buddha here said. So Jnati Dhammocha. If you believe in relationship, then what mean? Nēdēvu කියලා කියන්නේ අම්මා, තාත්තා, ආච්චි, සීයා, අක්කා, අයියා, නංගි, මල්ලි, නැන්දම්මා, මාමා, බාප්පා, පුංචි අම්මා. If you just remember these words, you may even see that what is it called? It's not just mere words. They have a great deal of what is it called meaning inside. Punchi Amma, Loku Amma, Nandamma, Mama, all those. Right? So the Buddha said what? Maintain Nati Dhamma. So today you are here as what did the Buddha say? You come to the temple, you maintain that good relationship. You remember the mother passed away on last Tuesday, right?
Yep.
And today, and even we had that when we got the news, it is Wednesday morning, and then we had a big puja on Wednesday night. We had another puja on Saturday night. We also did puja on Sunday, even though you were not here. Our devotees here. And today, the date of, I just relate to you, even if this Pinkama had happened during the lifetime of the Buddha. 7 days that king gave dana, and then at the end, transferred merits, and then the Buddha mentioned, what is it called? Sonyati Dhammo Chayamidasito. I believe that how the Jayasena Mahatya, then how Nandavati, Napala Mahatya, Dhanavati.
Dhanavati.
So 4 of you together with your family, again here. I believe that this strengthens not only relationship, Mahatya's relationship with mother. Even on that day I saw a large number of family members assembled under the Bodhi tree. It had renewed, right? You have renewed your relationship. You have updated your relationship. You have upgraded your relationship. You have even edited your relationship, right? Because some of them even I didn't see years and years them in the temple. So we edited. This is very important to us. That's what when we meet each other, right? So the Buddha said it is Jnati Dharma. So you are going to offer these meals to the Hamdru. The first portion offered in memory, remembering the Buddha, and with Bhante, the Hamdru chanted Idiviso Swakhato Sopadipanno, all those words in praise of the Buddha Dhamma Sangha. But the most important thing, please remember, take it as strengthening your relationship. I briefed you on last Saturday. You want to continue with your mother, the life. You want to see her in the samsaric journey. You want her to be your mother again by remembering the service as you told even here there in brief, if you remember. But by remembering, if you try to continue these kind of auspicious activities like today, came to temple, arrange this dana, going to offer meals to us and also meals to the others. And last few days you offered a lot of needy people in Singapore, at least few hundred people. You did offer that even at those places in memory of Meghamma. So put your hands together to offer this dana. Repeat after me these 2 lines. Me Vakya Dika Gata Satyayana Kala offer these offerings to Bhaktis. Imang Bhikkhaṃ Bhikkhu Sanghassa Dema Imang Bhikkhaṃ Bhikkhu Sanghassa Dema Imang Bhikkhaṃ Bhikkhu Sanghassa Dema Iccitaṃ Bhattitāṃ Tuyaham Kipameva Samijjato Sabbe Purentu Chitta Sankappa Chandro Pannarasiyata Ayurarokya Sampatti Sagga Sampatti Mevacha Ato Nibbāna Sampatti Iminati Samijjato. Be closer to the kettle now.
Hari.
Can you just remember even on that day, you know, in the same later you may hear, Gurus are going to chant that stanza in the same discourse. The Buddha said what? The water from high level flowing to the lower level. Anyone who passed away, the Buddha said, he is in a realm to receive merits if he or she wish to do so. Let us think of the mother. So, Amma. Gurapala Mahatya Padita Kitana Amma Dunna Deva Vatura Neme Kiri Can, right? All those Urvala ni Dunna ni Pirenda Dunna. So let us then when you what happened now you can imagine that the Amma is waiting there. It's not an empty Amma. Amma who has given everything, right? Full of. That's what the kettle. Today, Amma has passed away. I am in the capacity, I can offer a lot of things to my mother. So I am going to wish her, this is a wish. Health, wealth, protection, peace, happiness, goodwill, good life. Good place to be reborn, good family network, like you are good family. That remember the mother got a good chance to be with Dhanavati, the younger sister, right, to look after her. So let her have, at least it called a good network of children, family, so that the life will be very comfortable, safe, happier. In the presence of the future Buddha, may you attain happiness, may God. With this thought, please pour water into the cup. Chant together. Idam me ñāti nam hotu sukhita hontu ñāte. Idam me ñāti nam hotu sukhita hontu ñāte. Idam me ñāti nam hotu sukhita hontu ñāte. Yatha vāyuha pūrā paripuranti sāgaram evamev ito dinnam pētānam upakappati unnami udakam vattam yatha ninnam pavattati evamev ito dinnam pētānam upakappati ayurārogya sampatti sabda sampatti mevaca ato nibbāna sampatti imināti samijjato. You can be seated for a while. Homo Vadya. Just sit down. Turn to Mango. Vadya.
Yeah.
Put your hands together. Fold your palms together. We are going to wish you health, wealth, protection, peace, happiness, goodwill, good life. Again, very simple appeal and reminder, the merits. Please have a stronger faith in merits. Being Singaporeans, we have many things abundantly. It's a good, if you also can make it, I have abundance of merits. So the life is very balanced. We are ready for any life, here or next. We wish you, by the power of this Triple Gem Buddha Dhamma Sangha, the power of Bodhisattvas and Devas, divine power, and by the power of offering meals to us and taking care of these mothers, your children. May you have happier, peaceful, secured life, and also may this assembly be renewal of your relationship, to upgrade, to update, to edit your relationship, to be closer and closer. Power of this sutra strengthen. Karaniyamatha kusalena yantam santam padam abhisamicca sakko juja sujuja suvacha Jassa mudu anatimani santu sakocha subarocha appakichocha sallavakavati santindriyocha nipakocha appagabho kulesu ananugiddhona buddhaṃ samācareki yena viñño pare upavadeyum sukino vakino hontu sabbi sattā bhavantu sukitattā yeke cipāna bhutatti tasāvātāvarāvā anavasesādīgāvāye mahantā majjimārassakārmukatūlādittāvāyeva addittāye ca dūre vasanti avidūre bhūtāvā sambhavisīvā sabbhe sattā bhavantu sukhitā tāna paro param nāti maññeta kattha cilam kanci vyārosanā patika saññānā maññassa dukkha micchaya mātāyatāniyam puttam āyusā eka putta manurakke evam pisabba bhutesu mana sambhavaye aparimanam mettanca sabba lokasmin mana sambhavaye aparimanam buddhaṃ adhocatiriyaṃ asambādhaṃ averaṃ asapattaṃ tiktaṃ charaṃ nisinno sayāno vāyāvatassa vigatamiddho etaṃ satiṃ aditteya brahmametam vihāram ditthicca anupagamma sīlavā dassanena sampanno kāmesu vinayage dhannahi jātu garbhaseyyam punareti tena sacca vajjena sottite hotu sabbada etena sacca vajjena sabbarogo vinassatu etena sacca vajjena hotu te jaya